I'm here with two different grip tapes today. One is the perforated one, and the other the profile one. And these are, well, quite different. They don't even feel the same. So this is quite tacky, and this is a lot less tacky. It's more like you can also see the shine a little bit. Let me show you. And that's without the plastic on there. So this is a little bit more of a glossy feel almost, and this is really tacky. Yeah, so let me get that plastic off there as well for you, so you can see that just a little bit. And perforated, of course. So this one is perforated. I think very nice. This is more of an overgrip that you put over some other grip. I wouldn't recommend this as a base grip or anything. And I like to have my racket grip really thin. So then having this as a base grip or the only grip on there, I don't think that's a good option. But it's really tacky. And that's just very nice perforated holes a lot, and this helps with grip very much. And then you have this one that has the structure to it, and I think it takes a little bit more getting used to, but I do understand that some players might prefer something structured like this because it does give a nice profile grip. I tend to have my fingers in a certain position on the racket, and then with something like this on my racket, that is just a little bit too how do I say that? My fingers move more towards the profile than having the racket move more towards my fingers, if you know what I mean. So I end up not having my hand in the perfect position the way I like to play. So that's maybe just me, but that's the thing that I get with these profile ones. You do get them in very cool colors, so I think that's nice as well. If you are into that sort of thing, like customizing your racket, so that might be a very good option. But from these two by Wilson, I really do like these perforated ones. It reminds me of my Adidas rackets that had these perforations as well, and it's just really tacky and grippy, so that's something I really like. And then let's see what else they say about this. This is the perfect feel preferred by pros, and this is a thread pattern for extra traction. So those are the different choices here, and I hope this video has helped you make a choice about Wilson products.